home happen here in Apex Homes Projects. Ayan guys, maraming salamat. Hi guys, good morning. Guys, naghahanap ka ba ng property na malapit lamang po sa mga establishments like malls, church, school, market, at ang mga magagandang amenities na pwede naming i-provide? Guys, this is for you ang mga Apex Homes Projects na malolocate po natin ito sa Calabarzon area, Cavite, Laguna, Rizal, Batangas, Quezon, and of course guys, meron din po tayong projects sa Bulacan, Pampanga, and Tarlac. So, let's go inside para makita po natin ang house type na townhouse. This is a two-story with a minimum lot area of 36 SQM and the floor area is 44 SQM. So, ayan guys, let's go inside for the quick house tour. Go, go! So, ayan guys, makikita ninyo, this is a bare type turnover. Wala pa pong pintura ang wall. Pero, andyan na, nakakabit na lahat ang mga wirings po na kapag lumipat ka is naka-ready na po ito. So, and also meron po tayong toilet and bath. Ganito po ang turnover sa inyo guys. Ayan. And, actually, meron pa pong service area, no? Kaya, now. So, ayan, let's go upstairs. But, before going up, ito na to is smart TV para pag nanood kayo ng Netflix, wow. Ayan, let's go up. Ang hawakan ng hagdanan. And also here, so, eto guys, nakikita nyo, kayo na po talaga magpapakustomize ng unit na ito. And also here, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, na ready to install na po ang mga electrical po na works kapag lumipat kayo. And also, if you want to extend, meron pa pong space dito, pwede nyong ayusin to, diskartehan nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong design. This is only provision for 2 bedrooms, but if you want 3 bedrooms, you can extend here. Okay? So, ayan, wala pang kisame, makikita nyo. Still, kayo pa rin po magpapa-improve nito. And here, dito guys, this is a steel casement window. At pwede nyo pa rin pong i-extend dito para gawin yung veranda. Okay, pinaka-balcony ninyo guys. So, ayan, makikita nyo na napakagandang project po ni Apex Homes na para sa inyo at talagang pasok na pasok po sa budget nyo. So, if you are earning na nasa minimum wage ka, guys, marami kaming pwedeng i-offer sa iyo. So, ayan, for the last glance, tingnan po natin sa baba ang unit na to. Ayan, guys. Okay. Bare type turnover. Ayan. Merong ang frontage, guys, is nasa pinakagato. Ayan. So, sa mga interested buyers, come on guys, this is your time to invest while you're still earning and able pa kasi older na, medyo mahirapan na tayong makakuha ng ganitong house and lot na ipoprovide mo sa family mo. So, let's equate this time. Kung ano yung kaya nating invest now, not later. Remember, nag-invest ka ngayon, in the next few years, aangat ang presyo, guys. So, guys, once again, just message us now for your inquiries at lahat ng mga details, and we are ready and we are very glad to assist you hanggang sa pag-move in po. So guys, let's make your dream home happen here in Apex Homes Projects. Ayan guys, maraming salamat.